Hey, Jeremy here from LATT SEO. In this video, I'm walking through an audit I did for a prospect to share with them a number of different elements that can be improved and cleaned up on their site from an SEO perspective to help them generate more organic traffic, rank better, and likely generate more revenue as well. Let's get into it.
First thing is, if you have not, check out my website, lattseo.com. I have a case study video here of a client that we've been working with on Shopify over a 5-year period, helping them get total organic search growth of about 350%. And you can see here 40%, 38% year over year compounding growth for them. So definitely something can do. And a lot of the strategies in the video here that I'm mentioning to you are similar to what we have helped other clients with as well. So just wanted to share that with you. But let's look at some keyword data here. And this chart here shows all keywords and phrases your site ranks for in Google. You can see 571 different keywords. And I have this sorted by search volume per month. Now we can look at some of these broad ones like briefcase, for example, or briefcase with a space. But the one that actually would make more sense to focus on would be leather briefcase. And the reason for that is it's more specific and it is likely going to be easier to get some additional result from and better conversion as well. So if we look here at the search results, and we could talk more about the actual keywords and phrases and talk about the research process there as well. But I just want to share with you a couple of data points that I see here. So this chart here now, you're looking at the top ranking sites in Google for the key phrase leather briefcase. So what I want to do is look at page 1 here and see, does it actually make sense for you to compete for this key phrase with you currently ranked at number 34. So we have Buffalo Jackson. We'll look at the DR column again, 0 to 100 scale. Buffalo Jackson 52, briefcase.com is 31, 51, 64, 46, 39, 44, 86. And you are again at 30. So you're actually about the same as the number 2 ranking result here. So then let's look at what else is going on. One of the other factors Google looks at is words or amount of content on your page. So you can see Buffalo Jackson, 2,700 words of content, briefcase over 1,000. For some reason, Jack George's data is not showing here correctly. They have more than 0 words of content, 3,500, 3,000, and so on. And then you have 497. So one opportunity there would be absolutely to get more content on the page. And if we look at the page here, you have the title, briefcases, and then you have the product list, and that's it. So there's no additional information about are these genuine leather, the benefits of them, the value, buying guide, how to pick one, any of that type of stuff. So that would absolutely be content I would recommend having on the site. And then lastly would be the keyword itself. So if the keyword that you're optimizing for is leather briefcase, it would make sense to have that in the title and on the page. So you can see here, Buffalo Jackson, best leather briefcases for men. Briefcase has leather briefcases, leather briefcase, you get the point, I think. And yours is just briefcase. So again, on the page itself, your title here is also just briefcases. So the benefit of optimizing this for leather briefcases is we can still rank for briefcases. We can also more easily rank for leather briefcases. And as one more quick data point that I like to look at here is if we look at all keywords containing leather briefcase, just do view all here, we get a huge data set now to look at. So there's over 1,900 keywords, 1,918 exactly, that contain leather briefcase. Search volume now per month is 22,000 searches. Global search volume, 45,000. So some of these, leather briefcase, we have leather briefcase for men, men's leather briefcase. The other benefit of having content on the site is we can also add these keywords into the content to have a better chance of ranking for some of these other ones as well. So massive opportunity here for you. Again, this is just looking at the leather briefcase or your briefcase collection here. And I would absolutely recommend having this cleaned up for you on this collection and all your other collections to make sure that we're optimized for the keywords that make sense and can get more traffic for you as well.
Hope you got some value from that video. If you did, subscribe to my channel. It would help me out. I'd appreciate it. And if you're looking for help with your SEO, fill out the contact form in the description or in the comment section of the video here. And I'll take a look at your website, your details, and see how I can best help you improve your organic SEO, generate more traffic, and improve your revenue as well. And that's it. Thanks.